Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a book review. As you know, I'm doing book reviews on all of my books, so I'm going to be having probably, I'm looking at my library, hundred or so videos. And they're very short, but I tell you everything about the book, everything that maybe you're looking for in crafting project or junk journaling. And then you can search for the book or look for it. So yeah, I just didn't see anyone that was doing something like this, so I thought I would hop on and share this with people so that you can look for books that you're looking for. All right, so I'll get right to it. So this book is Doorways to Adventure. Okay, it measures 7 1/8 by 8 3/4. Okay. So this is what the spine looks like. Doorways to Adventure, Shane and Hester Laidlaw. Here's the back of the book. So this is a type of a reader book. So it looks like this was at a school. And I just absolutely loved this book when I saw it. So, yep, Gateways to Reading Treasures. Literary Readers, Doorways to Adventure, Harold G. Shane. University Professor of Education, Indiana University. And then Kathleen Hester, Professor of Education at Eastern Michigan University, where I'm from. All right, Laidlaw Brothers Publishers. Okay, let's take a look here. When was this made? 1966. How ironic. From somebody who, a professor that's from Michigan, where I'm from, and I was born in 1966. All right, so let's take a look at this. So reader books are so great. One is their size. So a typical maybe journal, little golden book size or that, uses these types of pages. Whoops, I skipped a page. So these are just awesome. I love readers. Their content, their pages. I skipped a page. The colors, the illustrations are wonderful. And this is a pretty big book, so I'm not going to go through it page by page, but I will thumb through it page by page so you can see the different stories that are in the book. Also, this one might be a toughie because if you look at how the, okay, focus. If you can see how that is in there, half of it is like pinched into the spine. So I'll have to cut this book apart, and boy, this would make a great journal or small glue book too. So I'm not sure if I could take these pages out. I am sure hoping so because these are fantastic. So look at here, Stories of Bambi. We will thumb through this one. Look at all the page colors. I mean, they are so neat. There's some Western and Indian stuff. Here's some history type stuff. Words with Wings. There's some music. Children of Long Ago. Log Cabins. There's Indians. Wagons. Stories Our Grandfathers Loved. Some religious, some Egyptian. Readers are just fantastic. I don't know, I can't say it enough. Johnny Appleseed. Wouldn't that be gorgeous in a cabin video, or a cabin journal? Yeah. Look at that. And that's a pretty good sized book. So there's a lot of pages in there. Let's see how many there was. There was 192 pages in here. So this is definitely a book to maybe look for online if you're looking for something like this. So Doorways to Adventure. All right, thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.